Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to use Cursor AI effectively. So right away we're going to be giving you some examples of how you can use Cursor AI effectively and speed up your work. The first example will be smart code suggestion. So say we want to create a function that adds items to a shopping list. So right here we're going to create a new file and name it shopping list. And then on the first line you can type in ash. There you can see the suggestion shopping list. And in order to get this written, you can just tap on the tab on your keyboard. So with the tab button tapped on our keyboard, you can see the shopping list provides some other options, and we're going to type in the tab again. And here you can see add to shopping list Apple 10. And in some cases, when you go to the next line, you can see that there is another suggestion. And in order to have this suggestion, you can simply tap on the tab button. Now, another feature you have here is the auto completion of code. So say we want to write this, you guessed it, we have Celsius to Fahrenheit, and you can see we have the suggestion or auto completion option. So we're going to tap on the tab again, and then it has produced that. You can see faded behind, and from this, you can also see suggestions for an auto completion of this code. In order to get this, we're going to tap on tab again, and there you have it. Another thing we could do is to generate an entire function. So right here, we're going to tap on the ash and write a prompt. You can see here from the prompt below, it has a suggestion for the completion of this code. In order to do this, we're going to tap on the tab button again on the keyboard, and there we have our function. Alternatively, we can press and hold Ctrl and K. Here you can see a small input field where you can put in new code instructions. Well, here you don't need to type in the ash key. All you need to do is to put in the same prompt you had before. And then after that's written, you can click on generate. Great. Now, when this is created, you have some options. For example, you can click and hold on Ctrl D to accept and Ctrl backspace to reject it, or you can type in Ctrl Shift and K for follow-up instructions. And then lastly, we're going to try to generate a script for a counter app. So once again, Ctrl K, put in the prompt, and then we're going to click on generate. Great. So now we have a Python script to create a counter app with functions to increment, decrement, and reset the counter. Following this shortcut will speed up your code writing process and improve your efficiency. Of course, you can always review this. That's why you have the option to accept, reject, or have some follow-up instructions, maybe to modify what's written already. Now, of course, with Cursor AI, you have all the other features of any other code editor, such as adding extensions and making some other integrations in order to improve your work. So these are some tips to using Cursor AI effectively.